Hello everyone, kumusta kayong lahat? It's Sunday, June 17. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Inari Center sa Antipolo. At meron ditong event yung Tak-Tak Cycling Community. Yung event nilang tinatawag na Bike Pag Daytime. So, alam ko marami yatang mga booth dito ng iba't ibang cycling brands, mga food at cafes meron dito sa loob. So, tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Nandito ang RD Cycles, Cannondale and GT Distributor.
Ano ba yung upcoming projects natin para sa mobility and yung transportation natin as cyclista? Excited ako marinig yan. So, our representative from Active Transport Program Management Office.
Hello, good morning everyone. So we're from the DOTR Active Transport Project Office. So we're here to give an overview of our projects regarding active transport. So active transport is we're making bicycle lanes and cycling safer for everyone. But aside from that, we're also veering away from the idea that active transport is just about cycling, but about also pedestrians and walking and other non-motorized vehicles form of transport. So,
Ayan, may nakita ko rito. Team No Invite, Jer Victor. Padjak ni Juan, Jer Victor. Oh guys, kumusta? Kumusta?
Kuya Arman!
Para kay Kuya Arman pala. Sigurado manonood si Kuya Arman yan.
Salamat! Nagamit namin yung gamit.
Ako nga, Kuya Arman, Philippine Looper, Jer Victor.
Sige bro.
Ayun, so nakaikot-ikot na tayo at around 10 o'clock na in the morning. So alis na ako. Sa mga nakasalubong ko pala, mga na-meet, mga nakausap dito, maraming salamat. Sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit matagal na raw tayong walang upload, ay ito, i-upload ko na rin to finally. So again, maraming salamat. Congratulations sa Tak-Tak Cycling Community sa successful ninyong event. At again, kita-kita tayo next time. Bike din pag may time. Bye guys, ingat.